Is it the right time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, January 5, 2024. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 7, 2023, our system has ranked Meta as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.66. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 7.77%. This means that on average, it has delivered a return of 0.39% per day since it was flagged as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend, indicating potential for further growth. Over the next 3 months, there is a projected 13.26% change in the stock, with potential returns ranging from 3.34% to 16.41%. Looking ahead to the next 12 months, the trend suggests a significant 122.31% change, with potential returns between 106.82% and 133.7%. This would result in a price range of $727.91 to $822.51 after 1 year. Our latest update for Meta brings exciting news. The stock price has increased by 1.39% on Friday. On the last trading day of Friday, January 5, 2024, the Meta stock price showed a positive trend, rising from $347.12 to $351.95. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations, ranging from a low of $346.27 to a high of $353.50, resulting in a 2.09% fluctuation. It's worth noting that the stock price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, showing a 0.76% increase over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, there was an increase in trading volume on the last day, which is considered a positive technical sign. In total, 2 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 14 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $4.90 billion. Looking at the broader picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for Meta stock was $361.90, while the lowest price was $126.04. Currently, the stock is trading at 2.75% below its 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $9.95. Furthermore, it is 8.43% below its all-time high, which was reached on September 1, 2021, when the price reached $384.33. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Meta. Starting with Monday, November 20, 2023, B. Riley Securities gave Meta a neutral grade with a hold action. Also on Monday, November 20, 2023, Wedbush rated Meta as outperform with a hold action. Another rating came in on the same day. Wells Fargo gave Meta an equal weight grade with a hold action. Let's move on to Thursday, October 26, 2023. On this day, Goldman Sachs gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action. Lastly, KeyBank rated Meta as overweight with a hold action on Thursday, October 26, 2023. Analysts have given Meta stock a general rating of buy. They highly recommend investing in Meta stock based on its PE ratio and price to book, with both indicators receiving a strong buy rating. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Today, we will be discussing the signals identified for Meta stock. The Meta stock currently shows positive signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable forecast. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals indicates a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, the stock is likely to find support at $351.42 and $338.87. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. On the positive side, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also provides a buy signal. The volume of trading is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. Nevertheless, there are a few negative signals that could impact the stock's short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 28, 2023, resulting in a minus 1.78% decline so far. This suggests a potential further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Today, let's explore some interesting signals that you might find useful for your trading decisions. First, we have the moving average convergence divergence, which recently showed a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots indicator, which signaled a sell 6 days ago. The Bollinger indicator gave a buy signal 10 days ago. The short-term moving average also provided a buy signal 2 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 42 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart to gain further insights. According to the chart, the short moving average gave a buy signal 20 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average signaled a buy 48 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also provided a buy signal 242 days ago. For more signals and information, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Meta. Meta currently finds support from accumulated volume at $334.92. This support level could present a buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when it is tested. In terms of volatility, this stock has average movements during the day and a good trading volume, indicating a medium level of risk. Yesterday, the stock had a $7.23 price range between its highest and lowest points, which represents a 2.09% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.21%. Before we discuss the potential good trading levels for Meta, let's first go over some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a crucial measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. This PE ratio is within the normal range, which is often observed in companies with long-established track records or reliable revenue streams. Now, let's move on to the latest news. The upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 7, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $4.75. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers, as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at the potential day trading levels for Meta. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta stands at $353.96. If you're considering entering a position and don't own any shares yet, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached. On the other hand, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. Now, let's explore the downside. Meta encounters its first support level at $334.92. If this support level holds, it could potentially serve as a good entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is a buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 2, 2024, Jennifer Newsted sold 566 shares of Class A common stock. On January 2, 2024, Mark Zuckerberg sold 250 shares of Class B common stock. On January 2, 2024, Mark Zuckerberg sold 657 shares of Class B common stock. On January 2, 2024, Mark Zuckerberg sold 100 shares of Class A common stock. On January 2, 2024, Mark Zuckerberg sold 57 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -35.049. Overall, insiders have purchased 185,177 shares and sold 386,523 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $337.33, with a decrease of 4.15%. This particular stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Furthermore, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 5 days ago. Is investing in Meta stock a good decision? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, it appears that there may be a buying opportunity for Meta stock in the near future. However, it's important to note that our analysis suggests the current price of Meta stock is overvalued. Looking ahead to Monday, January 8, we anticipate Meta stock to open with a decrease of -$1.38 and begin trading at $350.57. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Remember, StockInvest.us is a source of information and should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Let's dive in and explore together. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.